Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the T-Mobile home internet LTE modem and router. T-Mobile has this in select areas now, and they sent me a text the other day saying I was eligible for their home internet with no data caps, no contracts, no equipment fees, and stuff like that. And it was only $50 a month with auto pay. I was like, well, I might as well give it a try and see how it is. My original plan for this was to keep my other internet for all my other devices, and then I would just use this on my gaming stuff and my office, and not gaming stuff, but my office stuff and stuff like that. But then I realized if I disconnected that and put it on a separate network, I wouldn't get any of my features of my Synology or smart home devices on the same network. So came up with a better solution. I bought a load balancing Ubiquiti router and actually switched over from my Google Home access points to a Ubiquiti access point, and I've got a couple more coming to spread around the house. And so far I really love their stuff. It was super easy to set up. It's got a bunch of great features, and I'm looking forward to adding more of their stuff to my setup. And this is going to be load balancing plus like LTE backup. So we're going to see how well that works. If this doesn't work, I'm going to send it back. So I'm not going to show you a setup in this video just because I'm not even sure how I'm setting it up yet. I am pretty much just going to set up the modem. This modem right here, this router cannot be put in bridge mode. So I have to figure out the IP and stuff like that because it is still going to try and route through the other router. So that is the issue I'm going to have. I talked to some people on the Ubiquiti forums that were extremely helpful, and they said that it can be done and that shouldn't be an issue at all, and other people have used similar LTE routers that have not had a bridge mode on them. So we'll try to figure that out. I'm going to kind of keep this out of frame, at least the bottom of it, because it does have some information on the bottom there. You do get the battery cover right here, a wall adapter, and a battery here. So it does have battery backup. It will work for I think about 24 hours if I remember correctly, if your power goes out. Some screws. On the back right here we have your SIM card, which is taped over because they don't want you removing that, and LAN 1 and LAN 2 are the only ports that are accessible. The phone port and the WAN port can also be plugged into, but they don't work, they don't do anything on this router itself. It's just because this is a general router that is used for other things, and those ports may be necessary. So here we have that. We got your LTE button. You can use that to check the status, and then we have your LTE, Wi-Fi, and battery light on the top there. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this thing up, start it up. I'm going to change the IP address to something that is not in the same network as my switch, my other router, and hopefully that's all I have to do to get that set up. If I get it working and everything, I will do another video on what I did to do that, and I will be showing my Ubiquiti network setup in a future video as well. But for now, it's just an unboxing of the T-Mobile home internet modem and Wi-Fi router. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.